Hey there. You need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this because this video presentation holds the secret to the stronger, healthier, and more vibrant version of you. I'm going to show you effective strategies to naturally reverse the aging process. Yes, you heard that right. What I'm about to share is not anti-aging, but secrets to reverse your biological clock. You will discover simple ways to naturally reclaim your youthful looks, energy, strength, and libido without resorting to extreme measures. You will find this to be a life-changing experience. Now, take a moment and think about this. How would it feel to look younger, radiant, and have more energy with the body that can keep up with your youthful spirit? How would your life transform? Guess what? It's not impossible. When it comes to aging, age is just a number. At the cellular level, something called mitochondria creates the energy needed for our cells to keep life going. This battery for the cell usually declines with age, bringing forth all kinds of undesirable effects. However, scientists have found that this decline in mitochondria's efficiency can be slowed down or even reversed by adopting a few lifestyle habits. I'm sure you know of Jennifer Lopez. She's 47 years old but still looks 20. She attributes her youthful look to the basics: exercise, good sleep, meditation, water, and moisturizer. Lou Yellen is another 50-year-old hot mom, often mistaken for his son's girlfriend. She lives by the motto, if you think you look rough, you just haven't sweated enough. Charles Euster, 96. He still sprints, rows, and wakeboards regularly. You can find many stories online of people who refuse to grow up. They treat their body like a temple and it returned the favor. All you need to know is how to nurture your body properly and reclaim your fountain of youth. Today's your lucky day because I'm giving you full access to my secrets on how to become 20 years younger just by making a few simple lifestyle changes. Here's a glimpse of what you'll discover inside. Lifestyle of the forever young, anti-aging food, 3 basics of aging naturally, why being alone ages you, how some skincare products can actually harm your skin, and many more. Just know that I've spent years experimenting with reverse aging technology and spent thousands of dollars into putting everything together for you to give you the simplest and actionable blueprint to turn back the biological clock. All the research and self-experimentation has been done for you. Here's your golden opportunity to learn my secrets and have youthful looks and radiant energy. I'm granting you the permission to follow my method and apply it to your new transformational lifestyle. It's your choice now to shave 20 years off and finally live your dreams. Introducing Reverse Aging, Secrets to Reclaiming Your Youth and Vitality. Reverse Aging is your go-to health guide to bringing back your fountain of youth while radically improving your overall mental and physical health without taking drastic measures and using harmful pharmaceutical products. You will discover the truth behind slowing down your biological clock. Find out how celebrities, exceptional elderlies, and I personally manage to stay young even as the years go by. Here's what we'll be sharing with you exclusively: how to stock your fridge with food considered by scientists to be the fountains of youth, how to hack your sleep to have you waking up looking like a younger you, how sugar can destroy you from the inside. It's not just donuts that you have to be worried about, the weird but amazing effects being in a tight social circle can have on your appearance, why sunlight is a double-edged sword and how to reap its benefits to feel 10 times better, the little-known molecule in your body that keeps you young and how to get more of it, how to stop parasitic habits that are sapping away your youth and vitality, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So here's the deal. You get reverse aging at a one low-time investment. For one low cost, all that is yours for the taking, and you don't have to waste time attending courses or listening to health and fitness gurus that promise little to no results. All you have to do from here onwards is simply apply the methods into your life in the next 30 days. These simple and result-oriented methods are easy to implement. And if you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you're letting go of the chance to turn your life around if you choose to click away from this offer. But if reverse aging isn't every bit as fantastic as I say it is, simply return for a full refund, no questions asked. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. Fair enough? You have my word on it. And why wait another day? Your investment in reverse aging is 100% guaranteed. Act now to snap up these fast action bonuses. Secret bonus number 1, complete checklist, step-by-step guidelines, and easy-to-follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easy, digestible chunks. Secret bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map, visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in reverse aging. You get all the bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. So don't wait anymore. The choice for a younger you is in your hands right now. I changed my life completely by using the secrets shared in this amazing blueprint. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed. A healthy and younger body is just a click away. Your health and life matters, so turn back your biological clock now with minimal effort. Click the buy button today before this offer is taken down forever.